All right, so the utility or AV room, this cabinet is, I know you said 84, but if we go 96 to make it the same height as these uppers, or just make everything the top 84 inches tall, it's tough. I mean, we can put the fridge in place of the AV cabinet. Otherwise, the only other spot for that fridge is right here, and that's going to be the most convenient when you come in from outside to get to the fridge first. And again, this is the size and scale of that wall, so it's going to stick out a little bit. I mean, we have quite a bit of room, this being I think the north wall. So we have from that wall to the fridge, if we do a counter depth fridge, you still have 45 inches, which is plenty of room. So I mean, there's only a couple ways that we can arrange that, but I think this is going to be the best bet. And looking at the pool house, the Murphy bed, if you just wanted little nightstands, floating nightstands like this, 20 inches deep and 24 wide. All right, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.